shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kamerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for September 24th, 2020. Crazy. We went from not a great day of whispers on Tuesday to like the best day ever on Wednesday, and that usually happens. We have tight days after. So Monday was a great day. Tuesday was kind of a very tight market day, and yesterday we finally opened up and came down. Today, watching to see, because we are far, kind of far away from the 4 and the 8, if we're going to retrace back up, or are we going to go down to the 100 simple moving average? It looks like that is where it wants to go this morning. We do have a very clear trend line that looks like it's being broken right now as well. So look out below. We're going to be bearish below 321.80. We just went below that right now. Only bullish above 325.50. That was the retracement trade for the SPY. Let's move on over to the Russell. And by the way, we got a new level, 330.40 on the SPY, 7 million, and we are below that. All right, the Russell, we finally got a big level on. We were looking for that yesterday, weren't we? Yeah, it's very weird to not have a heavy level on the Russell when we have heavy levels of selling on the SPY and the Qs, but they were the last to sell. 148.59, heavy level, 3.9 million. Yeah, we haven't had a heavy level in a long time, so watch that Russell today. 146 bullish only above that. And again, that's just a retracement trade. I'm not bullish until we go above those heavy dark pool sell levels like 148.59 for swing trading. All right, this is strictly for day trading. Just a reminder, bearish below 144.50. We've just gone below that. Looks like the Russell probably wants to come down to the VWAP here. 143 lower trend line. So that would be the trade today. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 32.41 and bear below 32.12.50. And of course the Qs. Qs, we're going to be bullish above 265 today for retracement. Bear below 262.49, and we've just gone below that. Let's check out those NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 10.860 and bear below 10.750. We've just gone below that. Let's go to the oil futures. Yep. You know what? Let me just go to my Thinkorswim platform because no, pretty much the same level. 40 is the key level to watch here for those oil futures. Yeah, really major level. But I'm going to be bullish above 40.20. I gave it a little bit more room. And this would be the up trade pretty much here to here. I'm going to be bearish below 39.70. Right here is our down trade. So, here's my no trade zone for oil futures. Let's go to the gold futures. Oh, hold on a minute. Gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 1865, bearish below 1850. Now we got to just check out the dollar. I don't know what's going on with Thinkorswim, but look at the dollar index went from 94 to 594. I think this is a technical glitch, but it just so happens that we got the biggest prints I've ever seen in one day on UUP. This is the dollar, the DB US dollar index bullish ETF. When we get big prints on UUP or USDU, that's another one, we get massive moves in the dollar. So I find it very ironic that the day after we get the biggest prints I've ever seen, we have a technical glitch in Thinkorswim. Something is going on. You can see when they sold it down here. Look at the big volume here. Right, we had this massive move down. So what is going on? Definitely keep your eye on the dollar. It will affect gold and oil. So let's give this a couple of days of splash room, and then we can make a great trading decision. Just so happens we got the biggest prints ever on silver. I'll get to that just in a minute, but that will move with the dollar. Usually inverse, but again, we're going to follow those prints. I'll get to that in a minute. Let's go to Tesla. Yep, let's go to those individual stocks. Tesla, let's just bring this chart in big. All right, so Tesla came down to that lower trend line and seem to have held as well. I don't know if it's going to hold for much longer. Kind of looks like we have this head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Usually they say it has to be a descending neckline, which would be like this, by the way. Right, so you have that like neckline going down. This is an upward neckline, but still head and shoulders is head and shoulders. If we break the trend line, that's not going to be pretty for Tesla, so watch that carefully. We're going to be bullish for a retracement trade above 377.50 and bearish below 360. Look out below. If we don't hold on to that neckline, it will most likely come down to a normal trend line. We've gone parabolic, as you can see. Yeah, normal trend lines are at like a 45-degree angle. So definitely watch those levels. Let's go to Nikola. NKLA. Not looking pretty today. We're bearish below 18 and bullish above 20.50 for a retracement trade. Let's go to Apple. Apple. We are below massive prints on Apple. Going to be bullish only above 109, bear below 105 today, major level. All right, we got to go to silver. 5 million print yesterday. Yeah, 5 million. Are they buying and we're splashing down? Seasonality usually turns bullish beginning of October. So we're pretty close to that, but we have to wait to go above those prints. I'm not going to swing this long until we close above those prints. 21.42. So today, bullish above 21.50, bear below 20.50. I mean, we could go much lower before we head up. So again, follow the prints. Keep yourself out of the trade. Let's go to GDX. That was a huge winner yesterday for a lot of my traders in the Java pit. Great short. We've come down to the 120 simple moving average. If you don't have this on your chart, go ahead and put it there. It is phenomenal and it's free. 120 SMA on the daily chart. It is so powerful. So today, bullish above 37.50 for a retracement trade and bear below 37. If we go below that 120, 161 EMA is very powerful for commodities, gold and oil on the daily chart. So that's my silver trend line right here. That would be the next target to the downside. Let's go to Workhorse, WKHS. We are going to be bullish above 24, bear below 22.50. We are coming down to test that right now. And Twitter, big winner yesterday after those massive prints that we saw. Today, bullish above 46.25. Looks like it might be a retracement trade. We up thrusted yesterday. High volume Wyckoff up thrust through a major level 46. High volume. Today could be a test day. Yep. And if we fail that test, we can't break to the upside. Yeah, we might, most likely will retrace back down to reality. So bear below 44.40 for Twitter. There you have it. Those are your whispers for September 24th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my